This is my Z4. It's a BMW E89. Problem is it does not start. So it's sitting here like a pretty piece of furniture. Okay, here we are inside the Z. And this is sort of like, what does it sound like when it doesn't start? Sort of a silly question because we already know it's not going to sound like a car starting. But here you go. I'm going to put in the key. You hear some beeps and stuff. And then I'm going to press the on button. Nothing. Those two chimes are going to be my tire sensors. Nothing. One more time, just for fun. So basically you hear a click, and then you hear the fuel pump priming. Okay, well, first things first, I thought I would show you where the starter motor is. So this is the engine, bonnet's open. The starter motor is actually back here. You won't really be able to see it, so I'm just going to give you an impression. So you see that gray section down there? That's almost it. If you sort of look through here, now you're starting to see it. It's hard to make it out. But you see this red power cable? It's driving to the starter motor. There, you can sort of see a piece of it now, yeah? Okay, right in there. So down in here. Okay, so one of the things, you know, maybe you're asking, hey, like, what would make me think it's the starter motor? Why would I start this all up? And so a couple things. One, it won't start, right? There's a lot of reasons that your car might not start. But this section right here is what I'm going to do is I can actually hear where the problem is because we're getting just a clicking from the starter motor. Starter motor and solenoid in this one seem to be bound in one package. So that sort of ties two problems together. But I'm pointing the camera at that section because you're going to be able to hear what it sounds like. Okay, so you probably would have just been able to hear a click, a click, a click. It's actually a pretty loud, distinct click. You can hear it in the cabin of the car when you push the button and the only thing that happens is a click. But if you get out of the car, open the hood, it's actually pretty loud and you'll be able to locate it. It's coming straight from down in there. It's coming straight from that starter motor. What's happening is it's trying to basically either cross the solenoid and get some energy or to get that motor rolling, but it's not moving. And so that's what we're going to replace.